Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is exercise 3.3, question number 1 to 6. That means today I will solve question number 1 to 5. Okay student? 1 to 5. And lecture number 8 is the wrong 5. Let's start the class. Look, exercise 3.3 question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which is selected today. Look, resolve into factors. Student, notice here, this is the expression. This is the mathematical expression. Okay, now we have to write this expression as a product from. Okay, or multiplication from. Okay, let's start the class. Look, you see here x minus y and x minus 1 is the common. So we have to write at first x minus y. Okay, then see AB and BC are reject. Okay, or rest of the term is AB and BC. Okay, AB and BC are the rest term. Now we have to write such a way that they form a multiplication from. Okay, then we can write AB minus BC. Okay student, look, x minus y and x minus y is the common, so I have written x minus y. Then rest of the term AB and BC, so I have written AB minus BC. Okay, and look, these two factors are as a product from. Okay, now we have to write x minus y. Student, notice here AB minus BC. Okay, here B is the common, so we have to write here B, then A minus C. Okay, now we have to write B into A minus C into x minus y. Okay, this is the required resolve into factors. Okay, look, B A minus C, B A minus C, x minus y, x minus y. Okay, the first one, this is the expression, now it becomes a factor. Okay, now it becomes a factor. Okay student, I hope you understood. You see AB, AB, BC, BC, you see B, B is the common, then A and C, C is the, okay, and AC, I have written here AC, B, B, x minus y, x minus y. Okay, now I'll solve question number 2. Look, 9x square minus plus 24x plus 16. Look, can you write like this way, 3x then whole square plus 16. Can you write like this way, 4 square. Now look, 2, then A means what, 3x, B means what, 4. Look, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24x. So here is also 24x and here is also 24x. So they are coincide. Now 16 equal to 4 square. 9x square we can write 3x then whole square. Okay. Now we know the formula. This formula is a square minus plus 2ab plus b square. We know this formula. We know this is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b. Okay. So we have to write like this way. Okay. This expression we have to write like this way. Then we can write here 3x plus 4 whole square. Okay. This is the required factor. You can write this factor like this way also, 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. Okay. Okay student, I hope you understood. Now I will discuss question number 3 and solve. Look, a power 4, we can write a square then a square plus 1 like this way. Now we know a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, we have to arrange this expression like this expression. Okay, Now we can write here 2, then a means what? A square, b means what? 1, 1. Okay. Now student, notice here is 2a square, but here is minus 27a square. So we need more minus 25a square. For what? For coincide of minus 27a square. Okay. So we have to write here minus 25a square. Okay. Now see, 25a square minus 2a square equal to minus 27a square. Okay. Now we have to write like this way: a square minus 1, then whole square, 25 square, we can write like this way: 5a, then whole square. Student, notice here a square minus 1, then whole square minus 5a whole square. We have to write this expression as a product form. We know this formula: a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. That means you have to write first term plus second term, then multiplication, first term minus second term. Okay. Now we have to write in that way. Look, a square minus 1 plus 5a, then what? A square minus 1, then minus 5a. Okay. Okay, this is our required result, but you can also write like this way. You see, a square plus 5a minus 1, then a square minus 5a minus 1. Look, student, notice here, a for 4, we can write a square then a square plus 1 square. Okay. Then for formula we can write here minus 2ab. Okay. Now you see, here is minus 2a square, but here is minus 27a square. So we have to adding more 25a square. Okay. Now see, minus 2a square minus 25a square equal to minus 27a square. 1, 1. Okay. Now this is equal to what? A square minus 1 whole square minus we can write 25a square equal to 5a whole square. Okay. Then we have to write the a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Then a square minus 1 plus b means what? 5a, 5a. Similarly, a square minus 1, that means a, then minus b means 5a, 5a. Okay. Up to this, this is the required result, but you may write like this way. That means we have arranged here. Okay. A square, 5a, 5a, minus 1, minus 1. A square, minus 5a, minus 5, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, student, this is our required result. Now I will solve question number 4. Question number 3 and 4 almost same. Look, we can write like this way: x square and plus y by 4, we can write y square. Okay. Now we have to write like this: minus 2, then a means x square, b means y square. Okay. Look, you see, here is minus 6x square y square, but we have already 2x square y square. So we have to write more 4x square y square. Okay. Now minus 2x square y square minus 4x square y square equal to minus 6x square y square. Okay. Now we can write x square minus y square whole square formula. Okay. X square minus y square, you consider like this way: a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square. Okay. A means here, a means x square. You have to consider. Okay. Now minus 4x square, we can write like this way: 2xy then whole square. Okay. Now we know the formula a square minus b square equal to what? A square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. So we have to write like this way: x square minus y square plus 2xy, then what? X square minus y square minus 2xy. Okay. Student, look here. X square minus y square plus 2xy plus 2xy. X square minus y square minus 2xy. Okay, that means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is our required result. You see, this term or factor and this factor, they are as a product form. Okay, so this is our required product. Now 5 number, this is very, very important. Look, question number 5. At first you have to multiply. Look, a square into x square equal to what? A square x square, then b square x square, a square x square, b square x square. Then you have to multiply a square with y square, then minus plus b square y square. Okay. Look, I have multiplied like this way: a square into x square, a square x square, then minus b square x square minus b square x square, then a square with minus a square, then a square minus y square, then minus plus b square y square. 4abxy you can write like this way: 2ab xy plus 2ab xy. Okay. Now you have to write like this way. At first we have to arrange the positive sign and then we arrange the negative sign. Look, a square x square plus 2abxy, then plus b square y square. Okay. Look, a square x square, 2abxy plus b square y square, b square y square. Then c minus b square x square plus 2abxy minus a square y square. Okay. Look, minus b square x square minus b square x square plus 2abxy minus a square y square minus a square y square. Look, here is 2abxy plus 2abxy. That means 2abxy plus 2abxy. Okay. Now you have to write ax. We can write like this way: ax then whole square plus by. We can write like this way: by then whole square plus 2. A means what? A means ax. Right here ax. B means by. Okay. Now look, 2abxy. Look, 2abxy multiply 2abxy. Okay. Give second bracket, then minus. At first you take the minus common. Okay, minus common. Then what? We get b square x square minus plus a minus 2 I say b xy plus a square y square. Okay. You see, we have taken here minus common, then b square x square minus plus a minus 2bxy minus a plus a square y square. Okay. Now you see, look, you have to arrange this formula like this way: a square plus twice ab plus b square equal to what? A plus b whole square. That means ax plus b means what? by then whole square. Okay. Now you have to write this expression as a product, as a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Okay, this form. Now look, at first give second bracket bx, we can write like this way, plus ay whole square. Okay, then minus 2, a means here bx, b means what, b means here ay. Okay, now look, b square x square, okay, minus ab xy, that means 2ab xy, you see, minus 2ab xy, a square y square, that means ay whole square. Okay, now we have to write ax plus by, then whole square minus, okay, write this formula, bx minus ay whole square. Okay, look, this is a square, you consider a square minus 2ab plus b square, that means bx minus ay whole square. Now see, now again you see this expression, look, a square minus b square, that means you have to consider ax plus by equal to a, that means a square minus b square, b means what, bx minus ay equal to b, you have to consider. Okay, then write the formula, we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now write a means what, ax plus by, then plus bx minus ay. Okay, look, ax plus by plus bx minus ay, then ax plus by, write minus b means what, bx minus ay, right, bx minus ay. Okay student, I hope you understood up to this. Now we have to simplify this. Look, ax plus by plus bx minus ay. Okay, ax by bx plus minus ay. Now look, ax plus by minus plus a minus, that means bx, minus and this minus plus. Okay student, now see this factor and this factor as a product form, so we can say this is our the required factor or required result into factors. Okay student, look, question number 5 is very important for your exam, and this is very important. Okay, look, you see, at first we have to multiply, then you get this. For every xy we can write 2ab xy plus 2ab xy. Now a square x square, 2ab xy plus b square y square, that means we have to arrange for what, for making a formula. Okay, you see, then we have to arrange the minus b square x square minus b square x square plus 2ab xy plus 2ab xy minus a square y square minus a square y square. Okay, now see, this expression can be write ax plus whole square plus 2ax by plus by whole square. Okay, minus, we take the minus common, then we get b square x square minus plus a minus a plus a square y square. Now ax plus b whole square minus, you see, bx minus, look, bx whole square, that means you have to consider a square minus 2, a means what, bx, b means what, ay plus ay whole square is equal to what, a minus b whole square, a means bx, b means ay whole square. Now we have to write as a product form, we know a square minus b square equal to what, a plus b into a minus b, that means ax plus by plus bx minus ay, then ax plus by, then minus bx minus ay. Okay, now we have to simplify ax by plus bx ay, ax plus by minus plus minus 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 a plus. Okay student, this is your required factor. I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about HW. Look, exercise 3.3 page number 61. Okay, page number 61, question number 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay, I hope this is very very easy for you. Okay, dear student, no more today. Remember, you have to submit your all HW copy on every Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you back this HW copy on next Saturday. Okay, dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.